No,
No.
I'm doing good. Are you guys open?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Appreciate it.
Okay. You have to come through me.
Oh, I have to go through you?
Yes.
Okay.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Okay. Did you need to do something?
No, I'm just coming in to see what's going on.
I'm sorry, not unless you have an appointment or
Oh, is that
business, then yeah. You
oh,
can-
really? Is it written out somewhere that has to happen? Or
What's
do you have it written out that, or when you call, you can't come in unless you have an appointment?
Yeah, or unless you're going like to planning upstairs to environmental health or something.
Okay, so this is a way to get to other offices?
I believe so.
Okay, and what if I want to go to another office?
I'm not sure everybody. I'm
Is
not
there a
sure.
protocol? Do I got to go through you to go to another office?
I am not sure.
Okay, then you're stopping me from going into a public area?
Yes.
Okay, and why is that?
Well, let me get somebody else to.
I appreciate it. I really, because you're denying me. This is public access. I can come in anytime I want, unless you have protocols, like I can't go in there because whatever protocol you have, it has to be for the general public, not just because I'm recording.
No, it's for everybody.
Okay, if you can call somebody out, I'd appreciate it.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Well, so I was denied access to county building just to come in, and I was denied. I was going to come into the building, but they said that I couldn't come in here for whatever reason. I didn't get her name. That's one of the mistakes I make. I didn't get her name, but she said she was going to get a supervisor out here, and I'm going to go ahead and come in. Oh, we're locked out. Okay, so we're locked out. So, I don't know, I'm going to stand here for a little bit, see if anybody comes out here. Time now is... You don't? Well, the parking lot is empty. And we are in the well, yeah, we are. It is empty. Maybe. Hi. How you doing, sir? Sorry to bother you. I shook your hand, but you know how it is nowadays. I just wanted to come in there, but I guess if you guys got protocols, not to go in there by invitation only, I'm assuming.
Well, we're just doing it by appointment, only trying to.
Oh, okay. That's
social distancing.
yes, sir.
purposes.
Totally understood.
So
And
if you have an appointment.
oh no, I don't. I just wanted to come in here. I'm doing an audit, pretty much, just an audit on public officials and their public capacity. And if you guys got that going on, that's totally fine with me. I'm just walking around.
Yeah, no
I'll be
worries.
doing the sheriff's department next. So thank you. And your name was?
Trevor Jurczyk.
And I'm Joseph. Good to meet you, Trevor.
Joseph, what's your last name?
I'd rather not give that. But my name is Joseph, and I'm with News Now Greeley. It's a local channel. I'm an independent journalist gathering content for stories, and what I do is just see what officials do in their official capacity and how they handle situations. And you earned an A. All right, sir.
enough.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming out here.
a good day.
You too, sir. So they all got it by appointment only. So there's no going in there and checking anything out.